I'm Rich Noonan from Best of the Best, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today.
Today on Best of the Best, congratulations. If you're watching this video right now, you have found Schrader Plumbing, back-to-back winners of the National Best of the Best Award for Customer Satisfaction 2022 and 23. And if you're watching this video in 2024, rest assured Schrader Plumbing is a fantastic company that will likely win again when those awards are announced later in the year. If you need a plumbing company that you can truly trust, watch the story of Schrader Plumbing. A lot has happened at Schrader in just the last year since we profiled this awesome Texas family business. Schrader has grown again, added some great new people. They've earned many awesome new 5-star customer reviews. Congratulations again to Master Plumber John Schrader, his wife Hope, who handles the office. John and Hope had no idea that we were doing this video. At Best of the Best, we do a ton of research on companies with great reviews, and if we like what we see, we profile that company without telling the owners. We know that gives our videos a heck of a lot more credibility than anything else out there, and we love the story of Schrader Plumbing. Schrader does all kinds of residential and commercial plumbing. They're big on training, staying on the cutting edge of all that is new, and solving customers' plumbing problems the right way. Schrader Plumbing is frankly at a different level from most that we see in this business. Everything this company does is first class. They have an awesome headquarters in Richland Hills. Their entire brand, from their website and social media to their truck wraps, are simply fantastic. They have great financing options, and Schrader's always charged by the job, not by the hour, which is unique. We love it because customers know right up front what that job will cost, no surprises. The key to Schrader's success has always been its team. John and Hope have always hired great quality people first and then given them the tools and training to succeed, and they certainly have. Schrader Plumbing is a great place for a career, not just a job. People enjoy working at this company, working together, and happy employees always do better work, and it certainly shows in Schrader Plumbing's awesome customer reviews. At Best of the Best, we care most about our independent research and recent reviews from real clients. The reviews about Schrader Plumbing, well over 1,400 of them on Google alone, are so great. Please read them. A week before we did this video in November of 2023, Jane posted on Google, "I'm so glad I was referred to Schrader Plumbing. Have had them out 3 times for different issues, and every time it's been a phenomenal experience. They are always pleasant, communicative. They have superior workmanship. No matter if it's water pipes or a natural gas issue, they can do it. Highly recommend Schrader Plumbing." We've read so many reviews like Jane's about Schrader Plumbing over the last couple of years. Customers simply love this company. These are really good people who you can trust. Congratulations to everyone at Schrader Plumbing in Richland Hills, Texas. Now back-to-back winners of the National Best of the Best Award for Customer Satisfaction 2022 and 23, and they'll likely win again in 2024. Because at Schrader Plumbing, they only know how to do business one way, like they have for so many years. The right way. Congratulations, everyone. You earned it again.